Hello everyone, welcome to Lely's Tolentino's channel. I'm Lely and today I'm going to show you how to install peel and stick tiles. In my previous video, I demonstrated the installation of marble contact paper. This is the result right here. And now for this video, what we're going to do is we're going to install this backsplash right here. These are some of the materials that I use. I had ruler, pencil, screwdriver, craft knife, scissors, surface cleaner, and paper towels at home. I purchased this beautiful ceramic approach tile, which has a 3D texture, and it's supposed to be super easy to just peel and stick to your desired surface. It has an overlap area shown here on the right and in white to help you align and install the tires properly. It actually looks and feels like real tiles. Clean your surface with surface cleaner or grease remover, and make sure you allow enough time for the surface to dry completely. I would also recommend clearing the countertops to ensure that there's enough space to move around during the installation. I will first remove the plastic cover, followed by peeling the backing paper. And I will then perfectly align and stick the first tile. This step is the most important one, as all the followed tiles will be installed against this one. You could either cut off the edge to obtain a straight edge, or you could wrap it around the corners. The second tile is placed following the overlap here instructions from the first tile. Take your time and make sure you align the grout joints before applying pressure. Once satisfied, apply pressure to assure proper adhesion to the surface. There are many ways to cut around the outlet covers. I will show you two. The first one is to use the craft knife to cut around the outlet. Here you need to truly concentrate and try to cut as straight as possible. I was having difficulties sticking the tiles to the surface, so I've decided to remove the outlet covers using a screwdriver. I will then measure the top row of the tiles and cut the desired length so that I can stick it perfectly with the bottom row. Again, I'm wrapping around the corners instead of cutting. And now I'm using the craft knife to cut the excess. The second and best way for me to cut around the outlet is to dry fit the tile and measure the outlet length that needs to be cut. Here I'm utilizing my pencil and the ruler, and also the craft knife to cut the tile. But you could also use scissors for this. I also measure the width of the outlet to cut a perfect rectangle. I dry fit the tiles as a check and then stick the tiles to the surface, aligning it by the overlap here from the left tile and by ensuring that the grout joints are straight. I will then install the outlet cover. Follow the steps mentioned before to install the remainder of the tiles. Once you reach a corner, you can make a mark with your scissors where you need to cut cut the tile as straight as you can and install it as perfectly as possible. The tiles are always installed from left to right, completing the bottom row first. I am now measuring the windowsill and drawing the dimensions to the tiles. With the scissors, I cut this area to then paste it carefully. I continue with the installation of the other tiles. I will also measure this side of the windowsill and cut the area with my scissors. I recommend dry fitting the tiles as a check, and it works perfectly, yay! So now we align the tiles and the grout joints before we stick it on to the surface. After a good few hours, I can say that we are done. The installation of the peel and stick tiles is complete, and I cannot describe how amazing this looks. It does not look like my kitchen. Whoa, what an upgrade. I am really impressed. It feels and looks like real tiles. If you're wondering where I purchased this tile, I have linked it in the description down below. I bought it from Amazon for $41 for 10 sheets. I am not sponsored by this product. This is just an honest review. That's all for this video, but please stay tuned for the next kitchen upgrade where I'll be doing a makeover to my old appliances. So if you like this video, please remember to hit the like button to subscribe for future videos. You can also ring the bell to get notified when new content is available. Thank you for being here. I hope to see you again next time. Goodbye for now.